Welcome to Sunshine English. English phrases part 2. Number 1. Break a leg. English phrase break a leg, meaning good luck. Example: you have a job interview today. Break a leg. That's mean good luck. Number 2. Get off my tail, meaning stop following me. Example: you are not my friend, so please get off my tail. Number 3 phrase beats me, meaning I don't know. Example: she's getting married. Beats me. Number 4. Dig in. Dig in, meaning you can start eating. Example: I made this cake for you. Please dig in. Number 5. Bite your tongue, meaning keep quiet. Example: you are getting clumsy. Bite your tongue. Number 6. Drop me a line, meaning write me about something. Example: his assignment is very strong. Drop me a line about his ideas. Number 7. Go jump in a lake, meaning go away and stop bothering me. Example: I hate you. Go jump in a lake. Part 2. Now it's your turn to practice. Test your knowledge. Choose the right meaning of these phrases. You will get 5 seconds. What does it mean? Break a leg. Good luck. What does it mean? Bite your tongue. Keep quiet. What does it mean? Beats me. I don't know. What does it mean? Get off my tail. What does it mean? Drop me a line. Write me about something. What does it mean? Go jump in a lake. Go away and stop bothering me. What does it mean? Dig in. You can start eating. I hope you learned a lot of phrases in this video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and check out other idioms and phrasal verbs.